Hi, I'm Cory Albert, and this is what you need to know about cloud technology. When I think of cloud technology, I think of the major cloud service providers like AWS, Google, and Microsoft Azure, and how they've really commoditized and created foundational technology elements like storage, compute, and the ability to move data around in a secure and reliable fashion, as well as provisioning development environments for technologists in a highly scalable way. We're seeing both small and large firms leverage real-time data in hybrid environments. For a smaller firm, it may just be the simplicity of being able to now afford a more resilient architecture for real-time data, especially for their mission-critical trading solutions. For larger firms, we're seeing the cloud allow them to offer real-time data to some of their smaller, more remote offices, really increasing innovation in these localized areas. I think the cloud is really facilitating more advanced and more global trading strategies that we're seeing across our clients. You see clients leveraging cloud technology to consume and incorporate more unstructured data in either their trading strategies or their risk analysis. I think the world is trading at a more global and more macro level these days, and I think that the cloud offers customers to analyze more data, compare more instruments to some more esoteric instruments, or even compare securities from one region to another, creating a bit more of a global trading strategy with our clients. When you have a more global trading strategy, it's really important for the different parts of a firm to communicate with one another, and not necessarily communicate via a phone on how you're doing, but communicate through data and through risk analysis at the end of the day. And I think that cloud technologies are facilitating that global communication and that global sharing of information. We've seen instances where customers leverage some of our real-time news products where we deliver headlines and bodies and sentiment analysis in real time to customers' trading applications. And more clients are leveraging that type of unstructured data because the cloud offers to perform analysis on that information and find a signal to trade off of. I think the foundational elements of cloud will continue to drive customer efficiencies. Elements such as compute, storage, and simply the ability to provision environments quickly for developers and technologists. Then it's really a matter of whether the business people at our customers can find value in some of the more advanced and more expensive services that CSPs offer. Services like data warehousing, services that allow the easier use of machine learning, and in the future, services that allow them to incorporate generative AI into their day-to-day workflows. So it's really a matter of finding that business value in those advanced services. I'm Cory Albert, and that was what you need to know about cloud technology.